In this video, I am going to show Valentine Day special strawberry jelly without gelatin recipe. Before jump into the video, please subscribe and follow our social media channels for more healthy food videos. Required ingredients: strawberry, sugar, and corn flour. Take strawberry in a mixer jar. Add some water and grind until we get smoothie texture. Filter the strawberry smoothie texture. Now, add sugar, corn flour, and water. Mix well. Now, let it melt well on the heated bowl. Make sure the strawberry jelly is not too tight, so mix continuously. After getting slightly thick, like this, take strawberry jelly into a glass bowl. Now, the strawberry jelly should be kept inside the fridge for 3 to 4 hours to get hardened, otherwise, if we keep in the room temperature, it will take longer. After 3 to 4 hours, strawberry jelly is taken out of the fridge and it is like this. Now, we can cut strawberry jelly into the shape we want. In the coming up video, I will show how to make aloo methi fry. Thank you for watching and following.